All right, so my name is Andrew, and I'm here at the Arkana Spiritual Center next to Libertad Village on the banks of the Amazon River near Iquitos, Peru. I came down here with a group of veterans for healing. I was in a very, very dark place. I had basically felt like my life was completely crashing all around me, and I had realized it was my fault, and I didn't know how to change any of that. So I decided to take the chance and come all the way down here from the United States to work with ayahuasca. And it couldn't have been more amazing. Like I said, I showed up here and I was broken. Everything frustrated me. I couldn't connect with people. I didn't feel much compassion for anything that wasn't very close to me. I would get mad at people outside of me. I'd feel just because they were different or doing something that I didn't feel was right in that moment. And over these last 2 weeks, I participated in 6 ayahuasca ceremonies and 1 with San Pedro. And I feel completely remade right now. I feel like my life is worth something now. I feel like I'm worth something now. And it wasn't through any big just visions out in front of my face. It felt like very slow but very hard work of really looking at myself, and the medicine helped me step outside myself and observe those emotions in the way that I'd never have been able to before. I got to learn what it meant to be patient and have compassion and have love for other people all around me, no matter who they were or what they were going through, which was really beautiful. And I'm so anxious to take that back, just to tell everybody back home about how, if you're feeling bad or if you're going through anything from anxiety, depression, PTSD, these issues of the mind that are very much related to the self. And if you can't get past that, ayahuasca is this amazingly magical tool that exists down here. And it's the whole package. It's the spirituality of it. It's the love that you feel here at the center from everyone around you. The medicine is just one part of the whole healing that happens at places like this. So, if there's anybody out there that's seeing this type of interview and doesn't, they're still on the fence, they don't know whether they should do this, I urge you to just try as hard as you can to put any of your Western preconceptions aside and understand that if you're working with yourself and with your own spirit, you need the guidance of the spirit around you to help that. I was very nihilistic, very atheistic before coming here. I thought that the ayahuasca was just going to be another psychedelic experience where, I'd get some visuals and visions and it would let me open up. And it's so much more. The shaman takes you through the journey with the songs, the Icaros, and it's almost like they speak to you through every moment. There's 10 people in the room, and it feels like that shaman is speaking right to you at that exact moment that you need him to. And that's where the healing comes, is through these deep understandings. And what I'd like to say is that, I knew a lot of things. I thought a lot of things before coming down here. I thought what I needed to do. And ayahuasca allows you to know more than anything, more than years of therapy, years of pharmacology that I've tried, just one thing after another, trying to feel better, and it never working, always feeling dependent, even when something did work. And the ayahuasca knocked those walls right down. The spiritual work here helped me heal. And, you should have no fear and no hesitation for coming down to a place like this, because it is 100% full of love. It's roughing it a little bit. You're in the jungle. You remove so many of the Western comforts that we're used to, and through that, you just learn to connect with your people around you and find love. And I'm definitely leaving here with a completely renewed sense of just beauty in the world, and finally, for once in my life, seeing beauty in myself. And that I think is so priceless, that no amount of money could stand in my way to find this. And I know it's here. If I ever start feeling bad again, I can always come back, be welcomed in like family again, and get to use these natural medicines of earth to help reconnect with the planet and with myself.